These glazed roasted carrots are so good that even people who don't like carrots will love them. Chop off the carrot tops, leaving about an inch on. It looks fancy that way. We give the carrot tops to our guinea pigs. With the tip of a small knife, scrape away the dark part. A lot of earth collects there, and it's hard to remove with a scrub brush. We're not going to peel our carrots, as a lot of the nutrients and flavor are in the peels. Rinse and scrub well, then pat the carrots dry. Lay them out in a roasting pan, then drizzle with olive oil. Melt some butter, then drizzle that on too. Orange zest adds a lot of flavor. We like to zest with a microplane. Sprinkle on the zest. You can also use clementine zest. Now we'll add some herbs to give the carrots even more flavor. We're using rosemary and thyme. You could also use sage and bay leaves. Remove the leaves from the herbs and roughly chop them, like this. Now sprinkle them on the carrots. We're adding maple syrup because it's delicious and affordable where we live. You could also use an equal amount of honey or sugar. We're going to add 5 cloves of garlic. No need to peel them, just toss them in. Salt generously and add some pepper too. If you find this video helpful, please do go ahead and like it and share it. Orange juice is a key ingredient for this recipe. We're using freshly squeezed, but you can also use store-bought juice. You could use clementine juice instead. Pour the juice all over the carrots and get it all over the carrots using your hands. Lay them out again and roast in a preheated oven for a total of 40 minutes. After 10 minutes, take out the carrots and turn them over so they cook evenly. The liquid evaporates as the carrots roast. If you don't see any liquid, add a little water to prevent the syrup from burning. We didn't need to add any this time. Roast for another 10 minutes, then add water. You can move the carrots around a little so they take up the juice. Roast the carrots 2 more times, taking the carrots out every 10 minutes to turn them, and add water if needed. Here's a summary of the roasting process. After 40 minutes, test if the carrots are done with a knife. If it goes in easily, the carrots are ready. If you need to reheat them, just put them back in the oven for 5 minutes. Place the carrots on a lidded dish or platter to serve. We hope you love these delicious glazed carrots. If you liked this video, we think you'll enjoy this one too.